Cat ain't joking. That cat trying to Mike Tyson, man. Little Mike Tyson.
Because the cat came out of the yard.
They beefing like a motherfucker. Cat ain't backing down though. Little Mike Tyson cat. Cat gonna fight that motherfucker. I'm gonna fight him, yo.
That's the bold